In this video, I'll show you how to lower the back seats of your Chevrolet Malibu from 2008 to 2012. So you're gonna find on each corner of the back seats a small black loop. Pass your finger through it, pull on it. This will release the backrest of the seat. Alright, you see? And then you can bring the backrest down. The loop will stay in place there, so don't try to pull on it down, it will not go anywhere. Same thing on the other side. There is another loop there. Simply pull to unlock the backrest. Just like that. You may have to pull hard on it if it's the first time, and then everything will go down, and now you have a lot more space for larger items. Now when time comes to put everything back in place, you just have to slam the backrest the way it was before until it clicks. Make sure it clicks, okay? It's very important. In case of an accident, you don't want that flying down. This is it. Leave a like, comment, and I'll see you.